Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and it is Ketchup Day. What's Ketchup Day mean at the Stamps of Life? No, it doesn't mean you're going to go get a hot dog. What it means is there's a chance you might have missed one of these items. And sometimes we have extras of things, like if we have a card kit or something I took on Sizzix, I had on Sizzix a long time ago, something. And so we make the 25th of each month a release day that's called Ketchup because you might already have this item, so you need to go check your stash. But if you don't, now is your chance because most of these items are extremely limited, and once they're gone forever. On your marks, get set, let's go. The first one is this is from August 2022, but it is our fun, oh, they're so cute, snail mail. Look at how cute. It comes with the dies, so it's a little stamp set. If you got our Snail Fold It Club back in the day, perfectly goes with that one as well. So this is perfect. It says, so happy for you. Happy birthday. May the coming year bring you much happiness. Don't let your worries pile up because there's a whole bunch of piles of snails. And give it some time. Everything will work out. And yes, it comes with the dies. Yay! Another item that we're releasing for a limited time is our sun stencil. So this was used at one time and we found some extras in the warehouse. So they're on the website for a limited time. Once they're gone, they're gone. Also, along the lines of stencils, also is our petal burst. Once it's gone forever. So get it quick. Last but not least is a re-release of one of my favorite little envelope type things. This is our 3x3 envelope. It comes with lots of dies. It comes with make a wish or dream big or the word to and the word from. It has a candle. It has happy bee day on it. It has a layering die to add a little flap to the envelope. And what does it look like? You're going to die cut it. It looks like this. You are going to add adhesive to it. And let's grab some adhesive. You're just going to die cut it. You're going to add some adhesive and you're just going to add a little bit there. Lay that over. A little bit right there, lay that over, and look at how stinking cute this is. It's a cute little 3x3, perfect to put on the front of a card or the back of a card and just have a little something snuck in there, or even just a little gift tag if you want to. So it's 3x3, limited time, has a cute little rounded edge. My friends, go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.